Everyone, this is Shubh Soni from the team analytics of Bulls vs Bear. Today I'm going to analyze gold for the monthly, weekly and daily time frame. And if you enjoyed our analysis video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's get started. Starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see that we have a bullish order flow by breaking this structure over here. And we can also see that currently this demand zone over here is holding the price, but we can also see that we have a supply chain over here. So this supply chain, then after this supply chain, and now this supply chain. So currently now pricing in the consolidation. So we will go to the weekly time frame for more information. In the weekly time frame, we can see that we broke this structure over here, then after this structure over here, and lastly this structure over here. And price is currently making lower lows and lower highs. So low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And currently we can see that price is ranging between these two zones over here. But we can also see that we have a supply chain over here. First this supply, then after this supply, then this supply over here, and last currently price is giving reaction from this supply zone. But we can also see that demand also having a chain over here. The first demand zone over here, then after second demand zone, and lastly this demand zone over here. So by this price action, we can not to predict anything, we have to react from this all the supply or demand zone. So we'll go to the daily time frame for our reaction points. Now we'll go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we can see a bullish order flow by breaking this structure over here, and also this structure over here. And what we can also see that we are making higher highs and higher lows. So high, low and higher high. And currently demand was holding over here, but we swept the liquidity from this low by making this candle. So after a sweep, what we can expect a minor pullback. So after this we got a minor pullback over here. But from the consolidation formation, what we can expect that currently this demand zone has yet to mitigate, and we have also this supply zone over here, or we can take a whole range by considering these weeks also. If demand will hold from this zone, and if supply will not hold, we will get a new higher high in future, or else we can mitigate this demand zone and supply holds from here, then we can get a new impulse to the downside. So we have to not predict, we have to react. And if you enjoyed our analysis video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and peace out.